Hello dear friends, family, and everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and a mind buzzing with memories that will last a lifetime. First and foremost, I want to thank my wonderful family for their unwavering support. Your sacrifices, love, and encouragement have brought me to this moment, and I am eternally grateful. To my classmates, you've been my study buddies and the source of endless laughter. Thank you for being by my side and sharing in this incredible ride. To our supportive President, Ms. Maria Presentacion D. Pineda, and Vice President, Mr. Bernard B. Aquino, our very approachable Administrative Assistant, Mrs. Nelia Dimagat, and School Supervisor, Mr. Jojit F. Tobayas, our hardworking MPTA President, Jerlene A. Dayaw, and School Head, Mrs. Elisa F. Laksina. Your dedication to education has not only imparted knowledge, but has also instilled in me a desire to keep growing and exploring. I thank you po from the bottom of my heart. To our very diligent teacher, Mrs. Severita M. Alfaro, your wisdom and guidance have shaped on my mind and ignited by my passion for learning. We are very grateful for your patience and perseverance. Thank you po, teacher. I love you po. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible journey. And cheers to the adventures that lie ahead. See you soon!